Welcome back, Year 4. It's Wednesday and we are dividing 3-digit numbers today. Okay, our in focus says Amira, Charles and Holly bought a gift for a friend. God, that was kind of them. And I can see that that gift has got a price tag on it and it cost £321. Okay, they shared the cost of the gift equally. So that means that each of them paid 1/3. Okay, this cost was divided by 3 people, okay, equally. So we need to find the amount each person paid. If you're feeling confident, you can pause the video now. Otherwise, let's work through it together. Okay, we had a gift that cost £321 and we needed to share that cost between 3 children. So we can write that as 321 divided by 3. Okay, can you spot any connections? Can you make any links? That's right, each child is going to have spent at least £100. Okay, there are 3 hundreds and I can make sure that each child pays for one of them. Well, what about this 21? Is 21 in the 3 times table? Well done. I'm going to get my skip counting. Okay, so here, in case you weren't sure, you can write down your 3 times table. Okay, and we can see that 21 is in the 3 times table. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 lots of 3. So we need to split, we need to rename these tens. Okay, so that 10 can go away and I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 ones instead, and I'm going to take this 110 and I'm going to change it into 10 ones. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so time to share them out. See what happens. 1 for Amira and Charles and Holly. Another for Amira and Charles and Holly. And again, Amira, Charles and Holly. 4 ones each. 5 ones each. 6 ones each. And 7 ones each. Okay, so we can use the place value counters to share them out. They each paid £107 each. So we need to practice writing this, don't we? Here we've got the part whole model to show just what happened. Okay, we can very quickly partition off that 300 and share it between the 3 children. Okay, and here it's been subtracted. That's 300. It's been subtracted. Okay, because we've shared that out between the children. It leaves us with 21 to share. And once we've shared all of those out, we can subtract it as well again and make sure that we're left with no remainder. Okay, so 321 divided by 3 equals 107. And here it is, each stage making the notation along the top. Now if you get stuck with this, you can look back and remind yourself how we write it down. Let's have a look at the guided practice. Okay, here it is again. Remember, we're practicing this, it is new. So if you work out the answer and you're not sure how to write it in this format, that's okay. What I really want you to be able to do is to look at the highest multiple, okay, the highest number in the times table that you can find. Okay, have a go at the guided practice and then come back. Fantastic, well done. Who wrote out their 7 times table? Who wrote out their 8 times table? What's the highest multiple of 8 you can think of quickly? Yes, 8 times 10 is 80. That's quite close, isn't it? So we know that that is 10 lots of 8. Ooh. Now if we took 80 away from 96, we would be left with 16. How many lots of 8 are there in 16? That's right, there are 2 lots of 8 in 16. Okay, I'm going to ask you to have a go at the workbook now. If you've been feeling successful with this written method, carry on. If you're finding it a bit tricky, I just want you to use the place value counters to share it out and find yourself an answer you can show me with a part whole model or a bar model. Well done.